NET Standard C4 is all about professional development and program evaluation. It states that technology coaches conduct needs assessments, develop technology-related professional learning programs, and evaluate the impact on instructional practice and student learning. As educators, we are all familiar with professional development, but how comfortable are we with the program evaluation part? It doesn't matter exactly what program you are focusing on. The purpose is to determine if the program is fulfilling the intended results. Effective technology coaches do frequent evaluations so they can best understand if the educational technology they are using and professional development they are delivering are having a positive impact. They can also determine what professional developments might be needed. It is also vital for technology coaches to understand that not all adult learners learn the same, so different types of assessments and learning experiences will need to be present. Technology coaches need to feel confident in conducting needs assessments, design, develop, and implement technology-rich professional learning programs, and evaluate professional learning programs. To see more about my experience with this standard, please see the substandards below.